Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of circuit analysis. So, buckle up and let's jump right in. Circuit analysis is a crucial branch of electrical engineering that aims to determine the voltages across and currents through all network components. It's a process that helps us understand how an electrical circuit operates. The types of networks we analyze usually include resistors, capacitors, inductors, dependent sources, independent sources, and more. The challenge is to find the unknown voltages and currents in these networks. One common method used in circuit analysis is superposition theory. This theory helps us find the voltage or current when multiple sources are present. By breaking down the circuit into simpler components, we can solve for each source individually before combining their results. Another useful tool is nodal analysis, which finds voltages or currents in circuits with resistors and dependent sources only. We can solve for just a few unknown voltages or currents using this method. That's just a taste of what circuit analysis entails. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech-filled content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.